Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And this video I'm going to show you how I can sort numbers in a list. As you can see, I'm going to create a list containing numbers. And if I go down and write down this code, print, and you have to write numbers. And as you can see, if I run it, it will show me these numbers. And as you can see, they are not arranged. So to arrange them, you have to just write this code, numbers dot sort. You have to write down brackets, and now what you can see, it is by default arranged in ascending order. Now if you want them to be in descending order, all you have to do is just write reverse equals to true, and as you can see, now they are in descending order. So that's it for the video guys. Please like and subscribe.